Hello and welcome to this quick walk around of the new Jaguar XF. Long credited with offering the most engaging drive of the luxury saloon sector, XF delivers performance and efficiency packaged with style and sophistication. This latest refresh and redesign brings the latest Jaguar technologies to XF and an evolution of Jaguar design language. The air intakes in the front bumper have been extended and lowered to give a perception of increased width, while the enlarged grille is flanked by super slim quad LED headlight units, illuminating with a crisp white light. With a choice of powerful engines, abundant rear seat space and a cavernous boot, XF is a great expression of the old Jaguar adage, grace, pace and space. Models from SE level upwards automatically dip their main beam when they detect other traffic. The optional pixel LED lights go one better, creating a cone of shadow around other road users so as not to dazzle them, but maintaining full beam illumination everywhere else for unsurpassed nighttime vision. In the Jaguar range, it sits between the taut athleticism of Jaguar XE and the elegant luxury of Jaguar XJ, and it takes aspects of each. The side vents on the new model display the elegant Jaguar Leaper emblem. Our dynamic and gloss black themed exterior packs allow a more performance themed appearance with true visual drama. A Jaguar should always speak to the emotions. Available as a saloon or as a sport brake estate, XF brings true Jaguar proportions to these form factors, with a slightly lengthened, sculpted bonnet pushing the passenger cabin back slightly for an aesthetically balanced and perfectly poised stance. Entering the cabin reveals some revolutionary changes, although the first is a drive selector that no longer revolves. The palm shift grip combines cricket ball stitching with engineered metal, the varying temperatures and textures bringing a rich, tactile experience that is continued through the whole cockpit. Everywhere you look, there are thoughtful details, storage areas, and materials delivering a sense of heightened luxury and refinement. Settling into the driver's seat, leather is standard, and the first impression is one of space. The seats are shaped and supportive, ready to hold you safe through hard cornering, but they're also deeply cushioned, befitting its role as an executive motorway mile eater. And there are plenty of deep storage areas around the cabin. Style hasn't sacrificed practicality. The Serenity is enhanced by an active noise cancellation system that produces opposing sound waves to help neutralize road and engine noise, lessening the fatigue associated with prolonged exposure to low-frequency noise. Advanced air filtration and ionization removes even the smallest allergens, irritants and odors, purifying the air in the car to protect your health and well-being. The new sporty center console incorporates optional wireless phone charging and sweeps upwards to the large curved glass touchscreen that reveals the new beating technological heart of the new XF, the Pivi Pro infotainment system. Designed with an independent power source so it is active from the moment you enter the vehicle, Pivi updates itself automatically with over-the-air updates. The processing power allows an array of simulated camera views from outside the vehicle for unsurpassed visibility, whether you're placing your vehicle precisely on off-road terrain or protecting your alloy wheels from a high curve. Rear seat passengers benefit from best-in-class knee room, truly a place to relax and enjoy the journey with generous headroom and contoured seats. Navigation is included on all models, as are Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the integration of your phone can be taken a step further with the dedicated app, which allows remote lock and unlock, export of journey logs to an Excel spreadsheet, and remote start, which allows the XF to securely de-ice and warm itself up, ready for departure in winter, and cool itself down before you get in for your comfort in summer. XF is almost 30 centimetres longer than XE, and the boot space and rear passenger legroom make it obvious where that extra length is deployed. Of course, the seats can be dropped to further extend the space, and the large aperture allows the easy loading of luggage. The sport brake takes this practicality to another level, of course, with a higher space behind the rear seats, and with the rear seats folded almost 2 meters of length from the back of the front seats to the back of the luggage compartment. With many cars, the estate version suffers a little dynamically, but the sport brake has air suspension on the rear wheels to automatically compensate for the extra weight of a heavy load, and proves every bit the match for the saloon. It's fun, where many of its rivals are merely precise and predictable. The XF delivers a slightly softer ride than the XE, but controls its weight beautifully through corners. There's masses of grip and a standard torque vectoring system to tighten up the cornering line when that grip starts to run out, allowing a truly enthusiastic drive on challenging roads. All models come equipped with auto wipers and lights, surround cameras, the nav and remote app, as well as leather interior with heated front seats and a comprehensive traction control system with low traction modes for difficult conditions. An 8-speed automatic gearbox is standard, and power is supplied by a 204 PS 2-litre diesel with mild hybrid technology, or a 2-litre petrol engine outputting 250 PS, or, for the most demanding drivers, 300 PS and a 0 to 60 time of just 5.8 seconds. In all honesty, people shopping for this kind of car always look at the German rivals, and XF doesn't always come into consideration. But those who come to test drive it tend to buy it, because they understand what makes it different. Reviews often marvel at its ability to combine the most comfortable ride in the sector with a genuinely entertaining drive. Ascending to SE and HSE specifications introduces larger wheel sizes, more adjustable seats, and advanced driving technologies. The adaptive cruise control on HSE automatically maintains a safe distance from the vehicle in front and matches its speed all the way down to 0, so it can be used through stop-start traffic and congestion where accidents can be common. Thank you for spending a little time getting to know more about the Jaguar XF.